How to connect a subdomain to Hostinger website builder. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger Edge panel and head to the website section. Click Add Website, then select Hostinger Website Builder from the drop-down menu. Pick a template you like and enter the editor. In the editor, go to top right corner, hover over Connect Domain and click on it. Now type the subdomain you want, like blog.yourdomain.com, and click the suggested banner when it pops up. Click Next and you are done. Hostinger will automatically create the CNAME record, no manual setup needed. If you prefer doing it manually, go to DNS zone and add CNAME record. Set the name as your subdomain and target it to connect.hostinger.com. Leave TTL as default. That's how to connect a subdomain to Hostinger website builder. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.